I'm just gonna quickly say that it looks like I took dip spit and literally just shoved it on the right side of my mouth, just pounded so much dip spit, but really I just got my wisdom teeth taken out, and it's day 3. It's getting pretty bad. I feel like it's the worst that it's been, like swollen. Like, do you see this? It is so, it's just not cute, and therefore I can't really film any beauty videos or anything like that. So instead I'm gonna film a room tour for you guys. A couple of you have been requesting it, so I'm here to show you guys that. I do have to quickly mention that even though it is room tour and I do have a bunch of stuff, guys, it's just stuff. Like, you can live without any of these fancy things or anything like that, and I feel like I didn't even need to mention that, but I do have to mention that just so you guys know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just get into this whole room tour. If it's one thing that I hate, it's when people don't give the whole 360 view of their room at first before they start talking about it. So I'm just gonna show you guys quickly how everything looks. There's me not wearing any pants because I'm in my own house and I can do whatever I want. So we're just gonna, you know, just show you guys this whole view so you guys know exactly what we are looking at. So if you were to walk in to my room, this is what you would see. Just this whole shebang right here. I have moved my bed around so many times across my whole room and everything, and honestly this is just the best way to place it. I really like how my bed is just like secluded, so when I look at it there's not really that much clutter. And yeah, let's just get started. So starting with the bed frame, I got this one from Walmart. I'm gonna like go closer so you guys can see the material and everything. It's kind of like this pleather one. Honestly, it was pretty cheap. Not like cheap, but it was like Ikea status cheap. Don't sleep on Walmart like furniture or anything like that. And all this bedding is just from random places. My spread, like this pink spread, is from TJ Maxx, like with the pillows and everything. I got this pink pillow. My exposure is messing up. I got this one surprisingly from Forever 21. So these two pillows right here were from Forever 21. Each, I think, like $10. This one I know for a fact was $10. I got this from Forever 21, this one. This little pillow right here is from Urban Outfitters, and I believe this brown one could be from TJ Maxx. And then I also got this white one. This was a gift. I believe I would want to say it's from TJ Maxx as well. This white throw I got from Marshall's. This gray kind of throw one I got from Pottery Barn. And then this just white comforter I think I got from Ikea, to be honest. And then yeah, that's the whole bedding. And starting with literally my prized possession, I will have this probably forever. It is my big Prada. Ever since I was like 10 years old when Gossip Girl came out, I have always wanted it. And it was at the Z Gallery, so I got that. Honestly, it was pretty pricey. You could probably get it off Amazon or something like that for way cheaper. I hung these globe lights around it that I got from Urban Outfitters, and then just under it because I didn't like how plain it looked. I'm not a big fan of plain walls. That is something that you will see. I just put Lana up. So let me just get closer for you guys. So I tore these pictures up from V magazine, and I'm literally obsessed with Lana Del Rey. She is queen, and I just hung them off these big like copper clips that I got from Urban Outfitters. And then I put these two pictures up of Marilyn and Audrey. Honestly, I don't really know if I like it right there. I would prefer to have something else there, but I am a big fan of the whole Hollywood old school theme, so that's why I hung that up there. And then right next to it, I have my own personalized like surfboard mood board thing that I have. I made a whole video on it if you want to go check it out. It's pretty low quality, kind of hate everything about the lighting, but it's okay. And then I put this whole vase palm tree thing. I think I got these two white flowers from Walmart. These two are from Urban, and this I believe is from TJ Maxx. And then if we go over to the other side, I have a picture, another picture of Marilyn and James Dean. I am obsessed with Marilyn Monroe. Ever since I was little. You will see that throughout my room as well. And then I have just this bedside table. I always change it around. I used to have my box light up here, but now I kind of just have my diffuser that I got from TJ Maxx. And then these plants, I got these yellow flowers, faux flowers from the Dollar Tree. And then I got this white one probably from TJ Maxx. Honestly, I don't know at this point. And then just this Rolling Stone and Marilyn Monroe like book side tables. And then I don't know if you can kind of tell, but this is a like marble end table, and I got this one from TJ Maxx. No, Home Goods. literally I get everything from HomeGoods. And then these three, I kind of have like my sister wall. They're all ripped from Glamour magazines. I do need to replace these because this is such an old picture of Chloe and Kylie, and I just really liked. I thought they looked really pretty with their makeup, and I'm all about inspiration when it comes to my room. And yeah, and then we have Gigi and Bella, and then I don't know who these are, but I did really like the photo. I'm probably going to replace these two, to be honest, because it just doesn't really fit who I am anymore, like the whole vibe of my room. And then we are moving on to kind of like my record area. To be honest, I don't really like it. I would prefer to add a little bit more plants, but it'll do for now. So I have all my records. A lot of them are thrifted and a lot of them are from Urban. And then this record player I got from Urban as well. I have just a bunch of random stickers slapped onto it. I did this when I was like 17 or something like that, so it's a bunch of random things, and I actually don't like a lot of the stickers on here, so I might have to paint that or slap new stickers on or something like that. And then we have just this simple little thing going on. I don't even know, I'm sounding like an idiot, but these flowers I believe were maybe from, I want to say Joann's, I think. And then the same with his face was probably from Walmart because I refused to pay an expensive amount of money for vases. And then I just have my two nighttime lotions from Lush, this little cactus that I got from Urban, and then this little like broken wooden tray that I got from TJ Maxx. Now moving on to probably my favorite little corner of my room. It's just this general beauty area, kind of my workstation. Let's start with this whole like vine thing that we got going on. So these are from Urban Outfitters. The globe lights are from Urban Outfitters. This I stole from my sister. I believe it's from Marshall's. The same with the vase. Not Marshall's, Joann's. And then I got this little frame that I think my grandma gave me, and I just cut Chanel out from my magazine and put that there. And then just a random candle. The same on this side. We just have a plant that is dying. Really sad. It is my succulent. And then I got this from TJ Maxx, just this little light that I got from TJ Maxx as well, and I just put it in a little black box so it kind of ties in with my whole vanity. This vanity is from Walmart. It is super old. It used to be my sister's, and then I just replaced the knobs, and I got these little sparkly knobs from, I believe, the Z Gallery maybe, or just like some random home store. Underneath it, I just keep a lot of my extra shoes because I don't have that much room for them. And then I have like my little light that lights up for when I do my makeup, but I keep it down there just so it doesn't look all cluttered up here. I'm not really gonna go over my whole vanity, but you know, it's just makeup, all the brushes and stuff. And then I have this little white chair that I'm obsessed with. It actually broke and I had to super glue the bottom, but I like how it has like the little plastic, it's like glass, not plastic, but you know, like it's like clear, and then it kind of ties in with the whole bedding. And then we move on to probably my favorite part of my room, like this whole area, but I already said that. I have changed this area up so much, but it's kind of like my mini gallery wall when I am older and, you know, I have my own house and everything. My dream is to have just like the most luxe gallery wall. Like my Pinterest is just a straight reflection off that. So starting with this picture, I think it is the cutest thing ever if it just stops reflecting from the lights, but I think I got this one from HomeGoods, and I just really like the whole old school, again, Hollywood vibes. And then I have this big photo of Marilyn. This one I think is from Ross. This couture photo is from the Z Gallery, and then I just have Blake Lively, and then a couple of random pictures in random frames that I ripped out of magazines. And then these frames are from Ikea, and then I have this big photo that says growing up is giving up, stay punk, and I kind of just ripped that saying out of a magazine, and then I stuck the little eye stickers onto it to kind of change it up. And then this is the only record that I have framed. It's obvious because of the cherry and everything. It's just my total vibe. I am obsessed with it. It is my most prized record. It is so old. My friend gave it to me, so you know, we just gotta preserve that. And then this is kind of where I work. We have just anything. My week is boring because I got my wisdom teeth taken out, so I was a little bit, couldn't really do anything. And I got, I guess let's just start with this desk. This desk is from Ikea. I do wish I could replace this knob with another one of those sparkly ones so it could kind of flow. And then nothing really special, just a desktop, but because I am in constant need to be inspired, I just ripped all of some of my favorite brands and kind of just stuck it on, kept with the whole black and white theme. And then I have this little random area just for more decoration and inspiration. This is from, I believe, Urban Outfitters, and it's just a glass thing. This stapler is Kate Spade. I don't even know why I have a stapler anymore. I'm no longer in school, but sometimes I use a stapler. And then I bought these white flowers from, I believe, TJ Maxx. This cute little candle, same TJ Maxx. This cute little lamp that I actually thrifted, and on the inside it's actually a hot pink light bulb, so it's really pretty at night. And then I have just this Libra stone and this other little lucky turtle. I don't even remember where I got that. I keep my rose quartz right here. Any tasks, it's, you know, just says girl boss, the whole Sophia Amoruso thing. And then again, just to keep with the high-end fashion theme, we have the New York that I got from TJ Maxx. This is just fabric that my sister, I'm pretty sure, got at Joann's or something like that, ripped it up, and she used it for something, and this was just the extra that was laid out, so I used it as to kind of keep my, I don't know, keyboard on it. And then on the back I have all my essential oils in here, and then just like some pillow spray. Then the bottom I have this ottoman, so if you open it I keep like CDs and stuff in there, and I just threw this this blanket over it. And on here I have just a couple of boxes stacked with my favorite Lana Del Rey cover, and then some perfumes and, I don't know, other lip stuff, and then my cracked, busted up phone. Whoa, okay, let's keep that closed. We'll just move around to the other side. I hung up a couple of lights up right here just to kind of tie everything together. These I got from Urban Outfitters, I'm pretty sure. And then I put some records up. Yes, I probably shouldn't be doing this to records. These are like the real records, but these are records that I don't really listen to. So I think I have like Frank Sinatra, pretty sure like Beethoven, and then Billy Joel. And I will eventually go out and get just random records and then put those back in the sleeves, but for now these will do. And then I have these curtains hanging up. I'm still debating if I should keep these or not. I don't really know if it fits my theme anymore, but I don't know. I think it's so far working maybe. And then I have this Ikea dresser. Is it from Ikea? I'm pretty sure. Like everybody has these. I wish I could replace every single one with the glass knobs that I got over there, but that would be pretty expensive because not gonna lie, those knobs were pretty pricey for just one. And then I have this YSL box with some makeup palettes in it, some more like lipsticks. Actually, these are the Stila like eyeshadows. I don't know, I'm really big onto whole using my makeup as decoration. And then right next to it I just have this candle, the Girl Boss book, this Chanel box that I keep a bunch of my jewelry in, and then another flowers that I got probably from TJ Maxx, and then these drawers. I just have random stuff in there like clothes. This one is my like extra makeup stuff. I don't know, I'm not gonna go through this because it's pretty boring. But then we move on to this corner, which I kind of hate because I don't even use my TV. I don't ever really watch TV. The only thing I'm watching right now is the 90210 Beverly Hills. But I really liked this quote, "The too sweet for rock and roll." I wanted this tattooed on me at one point from the movie Almost Famous, but that's kind of a quote that my sister liked and I didn't want to rip her off. But then again, we have a bunch of like lipsticks. I got this thing, I believe, maybe from TJ Maxx. And then I have just a couple of my favorite sunglasses. All of these are from Urban except this one I got from LA. And then down here, it's pretty boring. I just have like another box and stuff like that. Yep. And we're just gonna move on to this corner, another view for you guys so you can see exactly what you're looking at. I got these mirrors from Ikea. They come separately, but I bought 3 so I can do the whole shebang thing. And then at the top we have more frames that I got from Ikea, and I just stuck the Burberry and Prada to give it like a little bit more of a glam look again. And then I have my favorite shoes ever in the entire world that I got from Forever 21, and then a couple of frames here. I still have to figure out what to put there because I kind of just rearranged a bunch of stuff the other day, and this frame is still empty. I got these coasters, probably from TJ Maxx, and then just a couple of my favorite shoes. I'm gonna let you guys know right now, all of these shoes down here are from Forever 21, except these ones right here, these velvet ones, are from Urban. And then this frame I just ripped out of a magazine and then just stuck it into a random frame. And then this carpet is from, you guessed it, TJ Maxx. Wow, how annoying. And yeah, and then we move back to this corner of my room where we have my coat rack. I really do just stick my coats on here, not really any of my clothes. Even though it's freaking summer and it's hot outside, I do just love using my coats as decoration. Literally almost all of these are thrifted. And then this painting, just this picture of Marilyn where it says, I don't mind living in a man's world as long as I can be a woman in it. Kind of disagree with that quote now that I'm getting older, but I really liked just this picture of her. I think this is from Ross. And then this skull is from the Z Gallery. This is thrifted. This is from Aldo, I want to say. And then this is just something random that my mom gave me. I don't know where this coat rack is from, but yeah, that is pretty much it for my entire room. And this carpet, huge shaggy rug, is from Costco. And then that hamper, if anyone wants to know, is from Urban. And that is pretty much it. I feel like I have to hold my face like this because it's just ridiculous how puffy it is. And yeah, that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and got some inspiration. I am such a nut over this type of stuff, like any room tour or decoration. I feel like that's it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Please like, subscribe, do all of that, and I'll see you guys in my next video when hopefully I'm not so puffy and I can do a regular video for you guys.